What's going on, guys? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service here, and getting my daily workout in today. Before I started my workout, I saw a guy's post in Lawn Care World. He was asking about whether he was stuck or not because he wasn't getting any traction in his community, wasn't getting enough leads. And really, there's a couple ways that you can gain leads in your business, and most of it has to do with the internet. Let's go over a few ways of how you can get noticed on the interwebs. Thank you so much for watching the video today. If you would please take 1 second and go down to the bottom of your screen here and click the subscribe button, we would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now let's get back to it. The number one way you can advertise your business locally is Google. That's right, get on Google. Go to google.com, go to their business section, sign up for your Google business listing. It takes at least 2 to 4 weeks to get that listing up. They will send you something in the mail with a special code and a website to go to. You do that, now you're on Google. By far the best way to get noticed in your local area. The number 2 way that you can advertise your business is Craigslist. Craigslist is free. It's got a lot of potential. It's got a lot of features that you can use, like pictures and photos and things like that. You can post multiple ads a day. I have 3 Craigslist accounts. I post 3 ads per day in 3 different sections. I do 1 in farm and garden, I do 1 in household services, and I do 1 in small business ads. That helps to get you seen. I've used it every year for my business, and every year I get some sort of customers from it. Use it, it'll work for you. The third thing that you can use to advertise your business locally is a website. There are a lot of different ways you can get a website. The first one that I would recommend is having someone build it for you. It's not all that expensive if you go with the right company, and it can really make a world of difference in how much you are seen. So I recommend going with somebody like Brian Ring from Ring Lawn Care. He creates outstanding websites. I have heard nothing but rave reviews about the leads that people are getting from the websites that he builds. Now, I personally built my own website using Wix.com. I like Wix because it's easy. It did take me a long time to get it perfected to where I wanted it. It took me a lot of time asking people questions about how to be seen on Google even, and just getting my website to where it needed to be. And now I get about 6 to 10 calls a day in the springtime from my website. So it is imperative in this day and age that you have a great website. Not just a website with words, you know, 1 picture of you on a mower. It doesn't work like that anymore. You've got to have both. You've got to have lots of pictures. You've got to have really good written content. I personally have a video welcoming people to my website so that they can feel more comfortable with me and get to know me a little bit better. They hear it from my mouth what our business is about, how long we've been in business, and different things like that. The fourth and final way that you can advertise your business locally is through door hangers. Door hangers are an okay way of advertising. If you have a really good door hanger, you can expect about 10% of a return on your door hangers. Now, this is one that I made through Vistaprint. It's not very good, as you can see. There's not much color. It's kind of dark. This is the back. At the time, I thought it was really good. I was really excited about it. I handed out maybe 250 to 300 of these. I did not get one call back because it's just not very colorful. It doesn't catch your attention. People can just toss them. So if you're going to do door hangers, make sure that they stand out, that there's simple information that really makes your company stand out. The best way to use door hangers is to do 5 arounds or 6 arounds or 4 arounds, whatever you want to call it. When you're at an existing customer of yours, you hit the 4 houses or 5 houses or 6 houses around that house. Hang these on the doors at least 3 times during the year, and you may pick up 1 or 2 of those customers. That helps create route density. That is what I use door hangers for. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope it helped you think of some new ways to advertise your business in your area and get the best return for your investment. Please like and subscribe. There's a good girl. There's a good girl. Yeah, there's a good girl.